So in this video, I will explain the difference between a RockSteady and HorizonSteady on your DJI Osmo Action 6. Okay, so if you'd like to use any of those modes, I'll explain what they mean. So RockSteady is basically stabilization, standard stabilization. There's RockSteady and RockSteady Plus. RockSteady Plus stabilizes more, of course, and that is what it does. It works really good. I'll show you a video I have recorded. I think that those two are that stabilization. Here I was shaking my camera a lot and it is not visible as much as I was shaking it. Then here I was also using RockSteady and rotating the camera to show you how it'll look when the camera is being rotated. Now let's see HorizonSteady. As the name suggests, it's gonna keep the horizon steady, and this is HorizonSteady. Horizon balancing. This mode is horizon balancing, which means it keeps the horizon until my camera turns over 45 degrees into any direction. When it does, it's then rotating, but if it's sort of like in one position but just moving a little bit, then it'll keep the horizon steady. And now that is the horizon steady mode. And in this video I had rotated my camera like so 360 degrees and it is completely invisible. Yes, now I was rotating it here, as you can see, and well, nothing happened. Now, if you'd like to use any of those modes, slide up, then click on the button in top right corner. Now you can set it to off. In off, it will include the gyroscope data, but it won't be stabilized. Then you can change the warping of the image, so it can be standard dewarp, natural wide, wide, or ultra wide, up to what you're recording basically. Then there is the RockSteady mode. You can also change the things here. RockSteady Plus. Then horizon balancing and HorizonSteady. And in HorizonSteady, as I said, you can see it looks kind of funny, but it really, like, you can see it is indeed funny as I'm rotating the camera, and you can see the keyboard doesn't rotate with it. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.